Hello and welcome to WPForms. In today's video, we're going to learn all about and how to use the Form Abandonment add-on by WPForms. The Form Abandonment add-on allows you to collect partial entries from your forms, which means you can still gather data from your visitors even if they abandon the form halfway through and never submit it. With that said, let's get right to it. After logging in and installing the WPForms plugin, we'll first need to install and activate the Form Abandonment add-on. We can do this by going to WPForms, Add-ons, and scrolling down until you find the Form Abandonment add-on. Click Install Add-on, and wait for the status to change to active. Once the status has been updated, we're ready to go into the Form Builder by clicking on the Add New tab on the left-hand side. WPForms comes with lots of different templates to get you started as quickly as possible. You can browse through the available categories to pick one you'd like to use, or search for specific keywords by using the available search bar. Let's select and use the simple contact form template as a base, and we'll go from there. You can customize the form template as you see fit by either adding in new fields, rearranging the order of the existing fields, or deleting them entirely by hovering over them and clicking on the red trash can icon when it appears. Let's go to the Settings tab on the left and click on the Form Abandonment tab. To enable Form Abandonment, you'll need to enable the Enable Form Abandonment Lead Capture setting. Once you've done that, you'll see a few other settings appear. Save only if email address or phone number is provided basically means just that. The form entry data will only be saved if the user entered something either in the email address or phone number fields. If they didn't, then this entry will not be saved. Always Save Abandoned entries will save the partial form data no matter what, even if the user didn't get a chance to enter an email address or phone number before abandoning the form. The setting called Prevent Duplicate Abandoned Entries means that only the most recent entry from a particular user is saved. In other words, if the same person keeps partially filling out your form but abandoning it before they can actually submit it, WPForms will only save the most recent entry from them rather than saving each one to avoid duplicates. You can also send out automatic email notifications when a form has been abandoned. To do this, go to the Notifications tab and scroll down to the bottom where you'll find a setting called Enable for Abandoned Form Entries. If this is turned on, you'll get an email notification each time someone abandons your form after only partially completing it. When you're done configuring your form settings, click on the Save button on the top right corner of the Form Builder, and we're all ready to test out our form. Click on the Preview button at the top of the page to open the form in a new tab. Start filling out the form, and let's say that after filling out the email address field, we navigated to the home page without submitting. Now we can view the entries page for this particular form by going to the admin bar of the top of the page and clicking on WPForms, Entries, and clicking on our simple contact form. And as you can see, the entry that we started but never submitted is here and marked as abandoned in the status column. If we view the details, we'll be able to see the information we did manage to enter before navigating to another page. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to collect entry data from your users even if they abandon the form before submitting it. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, which has step-by-step written instructions for all of our features and add-ons. If you need any extra technical help, please go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Hey everybody, this is Daisy with WPForms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I can show you how to build smarter forms with WPForms through our how-to videos and more.